people are like, oh my god, you live in South Bombay, people are so sophisticated. No, वो सिर्फ हॉर्न बजाते रहते इधर, गाड़ी हो स्कूटर हो. Hello everybody, Khamagani. I am back with Kamyachi with Kushi after months of procrastinating this video. I've shot this video before. I saw it 10 minutes back. I was like, chalo Kushi, let's edit it. And realized I was looking horrible. The script was horrible. I'm looking horrible right now also, but can't help it. So in this video, I was supposed to talk about my experiences as a makeup artist on set, and I was gonna give like learnings to people who want to join the industry, or gossip for people who don't want to join the industry but still be a part of it, be a pummy auntie. So as I tell you guys about the drama, which actually it's not, I am very grateful that I got to be the lead makeup artist for a feature film this year. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. Yes, I led the makeup team with my best friend Siona D'Souza, who is a hairstylist. We go everywhere together as a team, and it was a 17-day shoot that went on for almost a month. It went on for a month actually. That is the first learning. Delay हो सकता है. पहले से सोच के रखो. It'll be better for you. So yes, 30 days in Ahmedabad this year, where all the records were broken. There were people getting heat strokes, animals getting heat strokes, people on our set getting heat strokes. It was mad. So now, as actors, as costume designers, as sound department, you get to work in very close proximity with the actors, naturally, and you also do form like a bond with them. And I feel on certain levels you should keep it very professional, but it's better to have like a certain bond, to talk to them a little bit so that they also get comfortable around you, and it's also easier for you to work around them. So yeah, that's what happened. My extrovert nature फैल ही जाते हैं. So I was very friendly with everybody on set, not just the actors, and they were extremely funny and nice and warm to be with. But ऐसा होता है ना कि धीरे धीरे आपको पता चलता है कि कोई इंसान कैसा, फिर आप ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि oh my god, it shouldn't, मतलब आपको लगता है आपकी गलती है कि पहले से ही बात नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. पर what can we do? So yeah, so this one actor on set, so the movie has a lot of like action scenes, but there's also a lot of romance, and the actor was very chill. Okay, like he's very professional, he's a very good actor, but he was very chill. किसी के सामने कुछ भी मजाक कर दो, उसी type का nature था. And then we all used to laugh it off, right? And sometimes it was actually very funny, but it was funny until it became about me. And then so I stopped talking to him a little bit, but then what can I do? So he had a love scene with this actress in the movie, और उन्होंने बोला कि after he did the scene with the girl, he said, you know what, मेरे को लगता है कि हमें खुशी को रखना चाहिए था as that actress. मतलब that would have been more fun. And he has just come back, okay, after doing that scene. And kid you not, that was a very intimate scene. And I'm just looking at my best friend, and whoever was there was looking at me, because everybody understood what he's trying to say. And this just continued, okay, like kuch aise hi in joke form, but then everybody knew what he's trying to say, right? And थोड़ा अजीब सा लगता था, uncomfortable, and I think this is the learning that I got and I would like to share, is that no matter okay, so the reason why I didn't say anything to him, I did report it to other people, who I thought would take an action, but they did not. But why I did not really say anything to the actor was because this was my first feature film. I have just started off as a professional in the production team, and you know when you have that feeling कि अगर मैं कुछ बोल दूँगी तो मुझे निकाल देंगे यहाँ से, because it's easy to replace a makeup artist or anybody in the production team, like costume designer, assistants, than the actor, because that can't happen. And I was like, even if I complain, I don't think I hold the power. And now that I think about it, I probably did, but then also did not, because these guys, I never met these guys before the movie happened. And they were all Gujaratis, they all bonded over their own things. Most of them knew each other from before. So I did not say anything. And it was not just that actor, there were few more people. Actually, to be very honest, it was every guy on the set except 2-3 who were just very, very comfortable with the girls. Like, they thought that we all had become the closest and the tightest people, and they could just say anything. And then kudos to the girls who were there on set who used to raise their voices, because I know I am that woman, but on that side I just wasn't, because I was just so protective about my place that this is my first project, this is my first feature film. It's a long length movie. If I am out of this, then what am I going to do? Turns out, Khushi, my life wouldn't have ended. But yes, so anybody who wants to go in the industry, who wants to work in the production, whoever misbehaves with you, remember that you have a voice to raise. Don't take advantage of it. Definitely do not do that, because there are also very good people. Sometimes do try to understand their perspective or where they're coming from. But if you're not comfortable with something, please tell them. And if they're not listening, please report it. Okay? You shouldn't be taking shit. And it's fine if you have to leave that set. Leave it immediately. Because I feel like your dignity and your respect is way more important than that set. Okay? But yeah, overall it was very good. It was few things that made me very uncomfortable. Yeah, so that is one thing. Please draw a line. Actors, directors, writers, makeup artists, costume designers, apne mein don't. Okay, what else? Oh, it was okay. We were shooting in this remote location of Ahmedabad. It was like it was on the outskirts of the city, and it was like a barren land with just one house. It was a village, and the team had rented the place, and the place had no fans, no ACs. They had arranged those big desert coolers, but at one point they just stopped working because it was running all the time, so it just stopped working. तो हम लोग सड़ते थे गर्मी में, रात को भी कुछ भी नहीं, रात को 1 बजे 35 डिग्रीज है. क्या होता है, एक पत्ता नहीं हिल रहा है. पत्ता अगर हिल रहा है तो गर्म हवा से हिल रहा है. लू चल रही है, रात को लू चल रही है. It was maddening. But again, if you're like surrounded by good people, you forget about such things. But this heat, and in this heat, you have to ensure that everything is proper. You have to ensure that the makeup is right. You have to ensure that there is no sweat showing, right? You have to be near the monitor. You have to keep running around. You have to make sure that you're silent. Okay, you have to make sure that everybody else is silent. and you just have to be very attentive. And it's very hard in such a in a climate situation like that, be it like peak heat or peak cold or peak of any weather. Another learning is that when you're in a climatic situation like this, peak of any climate, you should ensure your health firstly, because of you, the film shouldn't be at the stake of losing shooters or just becoming handicapped. Okay, and if you know that you're not gonna be able to come to the set, make sure that you have an alternative ready. Otherwise, I know it's hard, but just do it. The set people will understand, trust me, but then you need to be present. You need to show that irrespective, you're ready to take the responsibility, and you should. One more basic necessity that I feel the production should manage is a hygienic washroom. I'm sorry, yeah, that's what we struggled with. The girls did not go to the washroom for like almost a week because it was just so dirty and they did not have anybody to be cleaning it. So they made separate washrooms on the first floor of that house. There was the washroom for the guys, and on the ground floor it was for the girls. And शायद भूल गए वो लोग कि लड़कियों को पीरियड्स होते हैं और हमें थोड़ा और रेगुलर जाना पड़ता है. बट इमेजिन आई जस्ट डिड नॉट गो to the washroom. Barely I've gone. Like I used to not pee and poo for 12 to 14 hours because I was just horrified to go there. And you know what are those called? The toilets on a truck. Oh my god, I'm forgetting the terminology of everything. हमने बोला कि वो लगवा सकते हैं, which is just easier. They said there is a budget crunch, and okay, we understood. But then I think this is what makes you strong. Also gives you UTI, also gives you trauma, but makes you strong. So it's for the girls. Boys can obviously stand and pee, but for the girls, if you do find yourself in a situation where there is no washroom, a proper washroom, buy yourself those disposable cones so that you can also stand and pee. I should have done that. मेरे को उस समय पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होता है, पर मैंने लिया ही नहीं क्योंकि मैं बहुत smart हूँ. Okay, now without giving any learnings, I'll just tell you a little inside gossip about what happened. So Apple is like very integral part of that film, and there's a scene where like a lot of apples need to fall out of the wardrobe, the almari. Okay, and I really thought, I could be completely wrong here, I thought that VFX would be done on that part, like put a green screen and like show apples falling. But I don't know if that was the plan, because the director wanted the apples to fall, and all the apples should fall, okay, in real life. And that is something that the art department does. Okay, हमारे 2 आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट चेंज हुए. मजा आ गया. तो हमारे आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट को काम दिया था कि अलमारी में से एप्पल गिराओ, और बहुत सारे एप्पल. तो प्रोडक्शन हैड बॉट, like I think, I don't want to be wrong here, but like 500 to 1000 apples. क्योंकि गिरते हुए it should look like there were a lot of apples falling. और मूवी में एक पार्ट है जहाँ पे they show कि they're making alcohol from apples, and it can only happen when the apples are rotten, right? So apples दिखाने थे गिरते हुए, तो दुनिया भर की चीज़ें ट्राई करी थी, टंगा के, चिपका के, गेट खोलेंगे, कैसे गिरेगा, सब करते थे, और नहीं हुआ. आज तक याद नहीं मुझे कि एंड में क्या हुआ उसके लिए. पर वो जो एप्पल्स थे उनको सैक्स में रख के एक मिडिल रूम था, उसके अंदर रख दिया था। सड़े हुए एप्पल को उस कमरे में 20-25 दिन और सड़ाया। I can still smell it. I've stopped eating apples because of that. And you know, हम वो बैंड्रा सांता क्रूज क्रॉस करते हैं तो वो नीचे से वो नाला निकलता है और वो अजीब सी स्मेल आती है, वो 5 सेकंड की स्मेल आती है, पर उससे घटिया था वो। मम्मा, it was really bad. Talking about the art department, so the second guy who came in as the HOD of art department बिहेव ऐसे करता था कि उसको सब कुछ आता है पर उसको कुछ नहीं आता था. ओके, there was this one time the director was just done with this HOD behaving like shit and not like managing the art properly. So I was very hot that night, okay, and he used to smoke a lot. He used to smoke and smoke up a lot. So he used to go in that field और वो उधर मस्त सुट्टा फूक के वापस आता था. And then the director is just shouting that where is this person, call him because he needs to fix something on set. तो उसको बुलाया. He comes after 5 minutes, he's chilling, he's coming. He comes in and then the director says कहाँ थे? वो देख सर मैं हवा खाने गया था. हम पागल बैठे हैं इतनी गर्मी में, ये वो कल से सेट पे आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this person replies तो सर मैं अभी चले जाऊँ. And he went. मुझे कभी कभार लगता है कि उस सेट पे ना एक पॉइंट पे सबका दिमाग खराब हो गया था. Everybody had lost their common sense. Everybody, including me. So there was this one time. I did not know that he was the AD. I thought that he's one of the spot. Okay, I'm sorry. So, and that day I was just asking for Tang to drink. Okay, मेरे को सिर्फ वो पीना था, बहुत गर्मी थी. And we were just packing up. And he comes into the room. Okay, and I said कि Tang होगा अपने पास. And he said हाँ है ना. So I was like okay, please ला दो, मुझे पीना है. So this guy walks out. And I thought of course he'll get Tang. Why not? वो गया लेने के लिए, वो लेके भी आया, पर वो टैंग का पैकेट ही लिया. 500 ग्राम का पैकेट मेरे हाथ में थमा दिया कि ये लो. But I think he also didn't understand what I'm trying to say and I definitely did not know what he'll think about. So मेरे हाथ में उन्होंने 500 ग्राम का ऐसे थमा दिया लेमन फ्लेवर. लाइक नहीं मुझे पीना है. वो अच्छा. एंड देन वो बना के भी ले आया बॉटल में. मुझे उस दिन तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि वो एडी है या फिर वो स्पॉट है. Yeah, so probably these are like things that I particularly remember. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई होंगी फालतू बकवास जो मुझे याद नहीं है. But irrespective, all of this comes down to like 4-5 very important points. Is that your boundary, no matter if you're a girl or a boy, is very important with the people on set or in professional life in general, but especially on set. Okay. Second is that you really need to take care of yourself. Nobody else would do it. You'll be fortunate if you make like really good friends and people who become like your family on set, so they will take care of you. But remember that nobody has the time on set to take care of anybody. If you're sick, make sure that you have an alternative ready. If not, suck it up and be there. Third, I was very fortunate to be surrounded by very polite people, but there will be days where they will shout at you for no reason. There is nothing personal on set, but it's just that everybody is running on a timestamp, and if things are not getting done on time, then you will be suffering. A 17-day schedule is gonna become a 30-day schedule, and you're gonna die. Fourth is that कुछ नहीं भी अगर आता है, pretend करो कि आता है. बट अगर कोई कुछ बोले ना करने के लिए सेट पे, तो मना मत करना कि मेरे को नहीं आता है. The moment you show lack of confidence is the moment you lose a client. Business owner bन जाओ. Yeah, but oh my god, wow. Yeah, so after that beautiful TED talk, my phone just died. I had no idea that I have very less battery. I think those are the 4 things that I would want anybody who wants to be a part of the set to know about. And I wish that you, at least once in your life, you get to live the set life, because wow, you get to learn so much. बहुत मस्ती होती है, बहुत सारे इनसाइड जोक्स होते हैं जो उस समय पे वो सिर्फ उन 2, 4, 17, 18 दिन के लिए होते हैं और बाद में आप भूल भी जाते हो, पर वो एकदम सर्वाइविंग फैक्टर हो जाता है. बहुत मज़ा आता है. सो आई थिंक या दैट्स अबाउट इट. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट लेजी लेड बैक weird video, but hey, I'm doing it. And I feel that this year was like a learning year for a lot of people. Like that's what Instagram says, but I really hope that it went well. And if it did not, then I'm sure it's gonna be amazing in 2025. I know it's gonna be amazing for me, so I'm sure I can give that ashirwad. So, okay, bye bye. Thank you if you're watching this. Thank you if you have watched this till the end. And yes, I shouldn't be doing all this. Okay, bye. See you.